You take up a book from morning.
No, it's the weekend.
What that have to do with that book? What that have to do with that book? Oh, this you drink syrup?
No, it's grape juice.
Grape juice. Pitney, you know, say diabetes for my family. About you drink sugar. You know, say sugar, we right now, you take them. From me, I out me there in a sugar feeling. Father used to have me out in a cane some morning time. We sell sugar cane at factory. And suckers now, me turn big man and start work at sugar factory. And tell you the different type of sugar, you know. You have brown sugar, white sugar, cane sugar, Demara sugar. You know what name molasses?
What's that?
Same thing me I talk about, you know. No people nowadays feel like say you know everything. And you know don't know nothing. Make me shut up my mouth and try a diabetes juice. That too sweet, man. Wallace.
You basically finished it. Look at
Shut
it.
up your mouth. Shut up your blood clot mouth. About finished. Furthermore, you drink no tea from morning. Get out of your bed and go drink some tea, man. But say people drink out your juice. You think say nobody want a diabetes juice?